Hey, what's up you guys, it's Aya. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I literally haven't posted a video where I do like a full face in such a long time, but for today's video I'm gonna be going ahead and I'm gonna be doing that with you guys. And obviously we're gonna be using my iconic palette. I am in love with so many shades in this palette, you guys, that I'm just gonna be playing around with some makeup today and I'm gonna have such a good time. I really hope you guys enjoyed my previous video where sister did Rosa's makeup. That video was so much fun to film, you guys. But yeah, for today's video, let's get straight into it. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna be starting off with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. Get in focus. And I'm not gonna be doing anything heavy for today's video. Yes, hold up. There is a change of scenery. I just decided to like move things a little bit around. I think it looks very nice. I did like a test shoot before I obviously filmed here, but yeah, everything literally, you guys, you have no idea like the moving and setting up, but it's worth it in the end because it comes out looking absolutely great. Okay, I think I'm gonna just focus this concealer under my eye area, you guys, because I'm not gonna be going for like a full glam. I'm just doing just a light beat, you know. Luckily my skin has been thriving for the past few months, and literally you guys, it's ever since I got those SKML products, I swear. But yeah, and I'm almost out of this Pro Conceal, so this quarantine needs to literally lift so I can go and get myself some new products. I definitely want to pick up some foundation from like Revlon and all these other places that I've been seeing all these beauty gurus getting all their makeup, and it's time that we upgraded. We've been doing YouTube for almost a year now, and it's about that time to level up, you guys, and just get a lot of like essentials and just bring out the whole like vibe of the channel and to just keep videos growing, you guys. This is gonna be such a good year, even though it's obviously not the best right now. I'm gonna be grabbing my Huda Beauty beauty sponge. I just want you guys to know that if you stay positive and just stay inside, you guys, literally there's so many people outside and they're not taking this seriously. I mean, I will admit at first I also didn't take it that much seriously, but people are out here trying to throw parties. There's this TikTok going around of this like woman that was being beaten up by the police and she was hosting a party. Like, what part of lockdown don't people understand? Alright you guys, now I'm going to be grabbing my Black Opal Loose Setting Powder in the shade number 4. I'm going to be mixing two shades. I have shade number 2 here and I have shade number 4 over here. What I usually like to do is, when I'm doing like a full face like this, I like to like use the lighter shade to just bake a little bit, literally using the tiniest amount and just focusing it in the eye area just so it can brighten that area up. Alright, that is the baking process done, you guys. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, while we let the bake sit and bake for like 360 degrees, I'm just gonna be starting with my first eye, and right now I'm just priming the eyelid so we can start doing some shadows. Okay, so for this look that I'm planning for today, I've actually done it on my Instagram before, so I just thought I should recreate it and just do it for my YouTube since I haven't gotten an opportunity to do it on here. Okay, I'm going to grab this flat top brush from Huda Beauty and I'm just going to be dipping into this red shade over here, which is one of the most pigmented reds I have ever worked with, but I love it so much. I'm just going to be placing it in the outer V. we're basically going to be creating a cut crease moment. On my Instagram, this is called, this is under the video called PINKITY DRINKITY. I watched James Charles' video and he absolutely loves that Starbucks drink beverage, and they literally took it off the secret menu and they made it a regular item because people just loved it so much, and I think that's one of the greatest things. You see how pigmented it is, you guys? And obviously the eyeshadow base helps. I'm just going to be bringing it all the way to the front because we're going to be doing a cut crease moment. I don't want to put anything in the inner corner. Now I'm going to be grabbing this flat top brush from Huda Beauty and I'm just going to be cutting the crease. Then I'm going to be grabbing this very concentrated thick brush and I'm just going to be dipping back into this palette. For that Instagram video I dipped into this shimmery pink over here, which I'm going to go ahead and dip into again. Looks like that, and I'm just going to be placing it in the inner corner. Alright you guys, so that is the eyeshadow portion done. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my Naked 9 mascara, which I'm going to be doing my brows and I'm going to be doing my eyelashes. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the bake and continue with the rest of the face, and we're going to move on to the other eye. Alright you guys, so that is the second eye all done. I think this look came out looking so good. Now I'm going to move on to blush, you guys. I'm using this blush over here. It's just a normal blush from a drugstore. And I'm going to be dipping into this huge Huda Beauty brush. And I'm going to be dipping into the middle shade. And I'm just going to be placing the blush on the apples of my cheeks. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna grab a clean brush. Do I have a clean brush? For highlighting, and I'm just gonna be placing it right over here. And then for lips, you guys, I'm just gonna be using my Zambak over here. It's just like a... Alright you guys, that is today's makeup look all done. I loved how it turned out so much, you guys. I obviously recreated the look that I did on my Instagram page, but this is the look on YouTube recreated. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys would like me to do more looks with my palette. Obviously I'm going to, but let me know what you would prefer. But yeah you guys, I really enjoyed today's video. But for now guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.